What's up, home bartenders? Let's get more use out of that spiced rum with these 3 awesome spiced rum cocktails. So if you missed our last episode, we made our own homemade spiced rum, so check out that video. But whether you've made your own or you're just using store-bought, you have to try these 3 spiced rum cocktails. Let's do it. All right, here, our first one is called the Banana Cart. We're gonna start, of course, with our spiced rum. 1.5 ounces goes into our mixing glass. After that, we're doing a banana liqueur. This is homemade banana liqueur. All right, so if you wanna check out that recipe, check it out. Followed up with 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup, also homemade. And then we've got 1 ounce of lemon juice. All right, so basically a nice spiced rum banana sour. Give it some ice, give it a nice shaky shake. Then we're gonna dump it into a coupe, garnished with a lemon twist. All right, starting with the Banana Cart. It's basically a nice kind of spicy rum sour with a nice banana flavor. Obviously the main 2 dominant flavors are banana, cinnamon, and then lemon. And that rum just kind of plays throughout. If you love spiced rum, you like those spicy notes, this is a great one. Moving on. Next one here is the Right Hand Twist, basically a spiced rum Negroni. We're gonna build this one directly in a glass. If you have a large ice cube, use that. I didn't, so I'm just using ice cubes, but use a large one if you can. Spiced rum, 1.5 ounces once again. After that, keeping with the Negroni formula, we've got some sweet vermouth, or actually that was Campari, followed up with sweet vermouth. I mixed it up in my recipe, but it doesn't matter, it's the same ingredients. And for our one departure from the Negroni will be 1/4 ounce of Pedro Ximénez sherry. That is a sweet sherry. If you want to learn more about sherries, I have a video about that, so check that out. All right, we are garnishing with an orange peel. The Right Hand Twist, basically a spiced rum Negroni. With the one twist being that we're using a little bit of sweetener in the Pedro Ximénez sherry. Wow, this is an absolute flavor bomb. You know what this is? This is the perfect Christmas Negroni. I'll definitely be making this again during Christmas time because I love Negronis, especially in the wintertime, and sipping cocktails are better in the cold seasons. But this has the classic Negroni flavors and the sweet vermouth and the Campari. But then you add the rum and all those spices, and it's a little sweeter than a classic Negroni thanks to the sherry. But there's so much complexity of flavor here. This is fantastic. Oh my God, yeah, make this at Christmas, absolutely. One more. Sticky Toffee Fizz, basically a caramel flavored champagne drink. So 1 ounce of our spiced rum, of course. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of caramel liqueur. It should be 1/2 ounce caramel, 1/2 ounce butterscotch. I don't have a butterscotch liqueur, so just 1 ounce of caramel. I don't think it's gonna change the flavor that much. It's homemade caramel liqueur too, so check out that video. Shaky shake, dump that into a champagne flute with a nice caramel rim, and then top it off with champagne. Sticky Toffee Fizz. So I guess a play on the sticky toffee pudding, which is a classic UK dessert, which is really good. Let's try it. I'm a little disappointed in this one. I was hoping that those caramel notes especially would come through a lot more. I guess the final flavor of this one will strongly depend on the sparkling wine that you use. And I'm not picking up a lot of the caramel notes from my liqueur, which is kind of disappointing. I will say it does make the sparkling wine a lot sweeter. So maybe that's all you needed to do. For some people who are not really big on sparkling wine, maybe this drink will just add that little extra hint of sweetness and flavor. So it's not a complete waste, but not my favorite today. All right, I've got to rate these 3 drinks. I'm definitely putting the Right Hand Twist right at number 1. This is probably one of my new favorite Negroni variations. Really, really good. In second place, gonna give it to the Banana Cart. It's a nice kind of spicy banana sour. Very nice. And in third place, unfortunately, the Sticky Toffee Fizz kind of fell flat. Maybe I put too much sparkling wine. Maybe I used the wrong kind of sparkling wine, but it just didn't hit it for me. Well, there it is, guys. 3 cocktails you can make with your homemade spiced rum or any spiced rum you've got. If you're looking for another easy liqueur to make at home, check out my recipe for the caramel liqueur. We've also got a bunch of cocktails using the caramel liqueur that worked out a lot better than this one. All right, so we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers.